You want to come see me? We can talk.
I'm okay.
You're not. You're crying.
I'm not.
I realize. Is there allergy? I want to give you a hug.
Come play more matches. Before I could play more.
Baby. Accept the match, baby. That's the only nigga that. Let somebody take you to me. Come now. Let somebody take you to me. Let us take me to Rose. Come.
Son come, baby.
What's wrong?
I'm fine.
You sure? Why are you crying?
Just want a peace of mind, bro. One time I just want to be at peace. Yo, I don't know why I feel so. I don't know why I feel so bad.
How? So come now. Try to catch your speed. So look up when I catch your speed, the blood clad. I pay girl, let me ears, but my man. Babe? Boo? Yo. Boo? You coming? Stop the laughing, you coming?
Yeah, man, I fall.
I'll let somebody take you now.
I don't care about people, though.
I said, come. What you telling me about people for? You say you want a peace of mind, let us talk, come. Come, let me give you a hug.
No, alright, bro. Let me tell you something. My family love you because you make them laugh. And you make me laugh. We love you. And you changed my life, bro. So I love you so much. And let me think. I'm glad the day when I accept you for my life. From that day, bro. From that day that my life changed, brother. So I wanna think say, can't leave me. You can't, bro. Because our energy is entwined together. So behave yourself and stop cuss people. I don't know cuss. I don't cuss them. Part of the life. Chat. Yeah, win babes. Babes, you have two nuggets in it?
Babe,
Huh?
I got you.
That's me to say. My logo have said that, you know.
Yeah,
Me
but
to
I
say that.
got you.
You're not kind of than me. So me got you.
Sir? Sir?
You're kind of than you, but you babes.
Sir? All right, sir? Sir, please. Chat triple. Chat first times three. It's not work out tonight. We can put some on the first gift triple.
Babe,
Yes, boo.
um, I'm gonna pull them something there tomorrow.
I want to see you now. Come.
I know, but I'm not pull them now.
I don't want to pull them now.
Yeah, I'll pull them tomorrow.
I told you we're pulling them tomorrow. So what you're saying.
I tell us that I pull them tomorrow evening.
Come to me. I'm waiting.
Well, I'm gonna play so much.
You're pulling them tomorrow?
Yeah, to them, I did tell us that I pull them tomorrow.
You want tea, boo boo? Because I got you now. Dibs?
You never have Mary. Everybody send one I was.
I got you more.
I got you. What? What? Shut the fuck up, babe. You don't got me more. Stop lying. Stop lying, bro.
Chat tripper.
Me always got you more. You don't. If you say you got me more, you lie.
No, I got you more.
Nope. Nope. I always got you more, bro.
I got you more, baby. Just when I'm not drunk, I'm not drink.
I don't drink, church. So I can't frost. Me not like, I feel kinda. Me alright, brother.
You're alright to see me. And for me to give you a hug.
You always give me a hug.
I want to give you this one a tight hug.
You know, you give me a tight hug no more. Cause you always say me now hold your back tight. Why you say that?
No, no.
You know say you're tight and my tight.
Listen.
No. Can you ever hold me tight? My tight and your cousin say, oh you know hold me tight. But really and truly me hold you tight. But I don't know where you call it.
Hello, I will call your phone so every minute.
Somebody and my dog show me I'm not going away with them. Nah, them are sure. I'm run out of room by night because I'm staying at home, bro. I mean, I said to you, say, you're tight. When I hug you up and squeeze you, you don't think you're tight. But my because you're stronger than me. You squeeze me tight, and me just feel like say,
But you don't squeeze me tight when you hug me. If you squeeze it tight.
me squeeze you tight,
Okay,
man.
okay, okay. When we
Me
met, who
squeeze
hugged
you
first?
tight.
Shh. When we met, who hugged first?
I don't remember.
Remember,
It's about first to get out.
the stoplight in your car.
You,
See? How about this now? How about this also? Warmer.
huh?
We don't hear nothing. How we are listen?
None.
So when we met, who hug first?
My man, right. You hug me up first.
And who hug up second?
Girls, hang up a friend them now. It's either me or idiot or you idiot in the babes
Did
cause
what?
the last time me check I two we alone there. We have a third and second.
So
So
what?
who for hug up if me tell her say are you hug me up first and who for hug me up first?
Hmm?
Stop shout. Don't shout baby. Baby. Don't shout. Don't tell them yellow coming. Yeah, shout, yeah, shout. For tell me not stop love off of me.
I can't talk it here.
Go short.
I'm not shouting.
Cherry, what you talking about?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cherry, Cherry, me read the comments. Cherry is my girlfriend. That's my girl, Cherry.
But Cherry said, boo.
Tell him some say a pum pum already, no? Tell him some say the pussy already. She would never say things some say the pussy yet. Babe, I tell her something. I can't tell it for life because I know me the life. This exclusive.
Me Richie, you tell me. I don't need to tell Cherry that.
Tell Chelsea.
You don't need to tell Cherry shit. You need to keep what you know, and I need to keep what I know. Okay? You got that?
But you know, the funny media, you know, no sense, you know.
Yeah.
They know you don't have no sense.
Good one.
It the funny media say me there. So if me tell Cherry that, me not there for true. So I'm not if you need to tell Kerry.
All right, baby, too much info.
So I ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
When you have your money and tell people. Like if
Like what? Yeah, come check me out because I keep me don't know what wrong with you.
Yo, unmute the live and make me hear what you say with them on the phone, my brother.
Yeah. Wow. Come here now.
One dear, my girl.
We are tell people you no pussy for you talk too much.
No, I'm not telling them to say pussy. Watch out. I may feel my cocky say it's stiff. Look, I'm not you know.
Hey, move now. Stop. Hey.
No, it's stiff.
I'm not laughing now. You know you're too much? You get out of hand now.
No.
Your phone a stop ring door.
It's stiff.
Hey!
Nah, show up your property. Stop doing it. No nonsense. Oh my God.
Wow, the phone freeze again. Hey. What?
I beg people are calm. Tell them stop calm.
Who I call the phone?
That's not another call.
What's your
What happened? No, never tell them live.
Who?
May I get trouble?
Alright, come now. Babe, I'm ready to see you now. Come, babe.
May I drink some water? May I drink some? Yo, let me tell you something, my girl. I can't see myself. Let me tell you something.
Alright, hear what?
Bad people.
Me don't want to hear that the story that, oi,
May I tell you from now?
Me don't.
Max is here now.
Max, end the live and AKEEM come and Max him something. End it. End the live.
I said, pick up. Max.
Yeah, can't come. End the live. End it.
Max is here. Max. People never say no. Max, wala na.
Oi. End it. End the live.
I tell my big brother something, top girl like another.
Rose.
She has something
Rose,
for
I'll
end.
tell you.
She has something for end my life.
Why?
What may I end my life for? Well, I know.
And the people have something for come for you.
Some, well, I know.
No, him for come to me.
Yes.
Oh.
Disagree.
Acho.
Disagree.
Remember, film name safe up over here, so.
Disagree, like, brother.
Yeah.
That's it. They never make them people diss me up with my brother. Me I look for them and me I say, watch out, Max. Them they even know me.
Oh, Max! Oi!
Oh,
Max!
bird.
That's it.
Keep coming.
That's
Ah, Max! Max! Hey! Yo, stop that now, man. I'm not laughing, you know. Me not harm you, team. I something I look at me and bag a crowd for me.